Yo! What? God, y'all boys, man. It's Copium back with another video, and today we'll be playing the horror game called Hunted on Roblox. Now look, this is my first ever Roblox horror game video, alright? This is my first ever time making a video like this, bro. And I'm about to see how this is gonna go, man. So basically, this game is basically like, what's the name of this game? Yeah, Dark Deception. I remember. If you know Dark Deception, bro, you should know like this is basically the game called Dark Deception, bro. It's basically like a remake of it, man. So about to go, you know what I'm saying? Now look, I don't get scared about horror games, bro. I ain't gonna lie, like, bro, I am a real nigga. You feel me? Like, I do not get scared about horror games at all, bro. No game is gonna phase me. I'm like that, bro. I'm Copium. No game is phasing me. So about to go see what this game's popping about, man. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn these post notifications so you remember to brand new video, bro. And try to get the video 4 likes, man. I know we can do it, bro. Love y'all boys, man. Copium get top. And time for you to do, let's get to it, man. Alright. So basically, okay, so we click on this button, Spirit. Where's, bro, when is this shit gonna open? Like, single player, obviously. Now look, since I'm the GOAT, I'm gonna choose, I'm gonna choose normal, okay? I'm not gonna choose much. I'm not gonna do too much, alright? We choose normal, okay? We choose normal, man. Alright, we're not gonna do too much, just gonna choose normal. Oh my gosh, bro. I hope I don't, like, bro, I don't even know what to expect, dog. Like, that's my problem, though. I do not know what to expect. Monkey business. Nigga, I'm a monkey, too.
What a charming little hotel.
What's good, bro?
Bring back any memories?
Hell yeah. What the fuck is that? Shit, we about to go in the elevator. Sir.
Going up?
Yeah, I guess so, nigga. Goddamn. What you mean going on? Like, so far, bro, this shit not scary at all, bro. Like, this shit light work. For real, bro. Like, this shit's not scary at all. I am not fake. For shit.
Now listen closely.
What the fuck
See
is it?
those floating bits of crystal? Those are soul shards. Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze. Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here.
Oh shit, so niggas dying in this
Gather them
bitch.
all, and the first ring piece will be yours.
Baby
One
still?
more thing. You're not alone. There are monsters in here, and they're looking for you.
What about I slam him? That's what I'm about to do,
You
nigga.
need this.
What are you talking
It
about?
can detect each shard's location. It was left by the last guest to disappoint me here. A very clever girl.
So can I go now or
Just
what?
a very fast runner. Enough instruction. Break those boards and let's get this party started.
Alright. I cannot do shit. Oh, I got a married ticket. Alright, let's go, man. Come on. We're doing this shit. Come on, bro. Let's go. Oh, shit!
By monkey.
What the fuck was that? Oh my god, jump scare, nigga! What the fuck? Bro, that's I just got jump scare the fuck out of him! Oh my god! Oh my god, I just shit my pants. Oh my god, I just shit myself, bro. I'm in the rain, bro. Yeah, nigga. I thought it was, bro. Where are you coming from, though? I'm not getting it. Oh shit, they close. What's up? Oh shit, I know they close. I'm black. I'm black. I'm gay. I'm black. I'm super black. Nah, time out, bro. Like, nigga, damn. Like, bro, what is going on? Where are they coming from? I don't get it. How many shards I gotta collect? Run, nigga, run! Run, nigga, I'm black!
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder monkeys.
What do you mean? I do not know where they're coming from! What should I do about that? Yeah, run away, nigga. What's up, bro? I know where they come from, bro. Where'd they come from? I don't get it. trying to charge. What's up? What's up? I knew. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's up? We like that. Come on. We got 166 more. We're doing this shit. We're doing this. Come on. Shit. Fuck.
You're making it pretty easy to
Oh
root
my
for the monkeys.
God, man. I had
You
it.
are dead.
I had it. Oh my gosh. Man. I had that shit, bro. So, okay, look, I get it now. Alright, so like we got this fucking red ass crystal that when you get the crystal, you can see all the niggas down on your ass. Alright, I get it. Alright, I understand now. But I'm gonna do this shit more fair, bro. I need some niggas to help me, bro. I cannot do this shit solo, man. I'm shitting myself every damn time. I do not know where they coming from. I don't get it. Where are they coming from?
Town.
Alright, bro.
Bring
This is the second one, man. Hey, run two, nigga. I play pressure, bro. This shit's not like that for real. I play pressure though, but goddamn, bro, like I don't get it. Like, where can you tell where they coming from? Like, they jump scaring me, bro. Like, I see they coming from my back, but they're right in front of me. I don't get it. Like, bro. Goddamn, bro. This shit low key like that though, for real. Like, bro, I don't know, bro. Those monkeys got jets on them or some
Now
shit.
listen closely. See those
I'm
floating...
skipping this shit, bro. I know what to do. Let's go. Let's get it right. Come on. Not stopping for nothing. Just lock in, bro. Come on. You locking in right now. Oh, yeah. We tapped in. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Come on. Come on, black. I always do this. I'm black. Got 270 more. 260. I'm just realizing now how much you got left. Nigga. 260. Oh, shit. Got started. Stun, nigga. Yeah. Cannot move right now. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck no. I saw him right now. Come on, let's go. Got 240. Yes, sir. Come on. Don't stop for nothing. Do not stop for nothing. Turn. So fuck. Man. Come on. Chill. Let's go. What? No, they keep on jump scaring me, man. I cannot predict where they're coming from. That's my problem. Like, goddamn. Come on, man. Hey, man. Come on. You gotta beat this shit. Shit. Nah, come on. Gotta get that shit. Gotta get that stuff. Go back. I am that man who is trying to play it back. Why the fuck? They on my ass. Like, bro, I found the sword. Bro, I need to get that red sword, bro. And she gonna help me out. I gotta get that shit regardless. That boy 194 left. What the fuck? I got Jeremy chasing me. I knew it, nigga. I'm actually gonna be 10 times easier, bro. She gonna be light with now. Come on. 160 left. Come on. We get there. Fuck, they on my ass. Come on. Don't stop. Not stop for nothing, bro. Come on. I'm down. Sir. Oh, yeah. Take two right here. Yes, sir. I can see all my enemies. I can see all of them. It's on sight. Oh, we doing this shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. They on my ass, bro. I ain't gonna lie. They on my ass, bro. I don't like this shit. Hey. Oh, shit. They on my ass. 2 of them on my ass. There's 2 of them. Come on. Yep. Take it. No. Oh, fuck.
Behind you.
Oh, my God. Oh, no. No, let's grab them. Let's play. Come on. I like that. 107. Come on. Yes, sir. Get the fuck out of that ass. You're not turning. Keep on running forward. Keep on running. You're not turning. Go. I cannot stop. Go. Don't stop. There's one there. I know there's one there. I know it. I know there's one there. I know already. This side. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Come on, get there. Come on, bro. I know it. Oh, yeah. What's the word? Oh, yeah. Every single one of you. You all can be But I need 54 more, dog. 54 more. So where all the shards at? I need it, god damn. There we go. Yeah. Go. Come on. I heard him. I heard this monkey. Here's the monkey. I knew it coming in. Already wild, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Come on. Bro, we gotta find them shards, bro. We got 45 left. Damn. Come on, let's go, bro. Let's get it. This side. I know it comes from down. I know they are. Don't go. Keep on running. Don't turn. Right here. Yes, sir. Let's go. Come on. Woo! Come on. Right here. Knock him out. This way. Predator on play. Knock him out. God, bro, I cannot mess up, bro. I ain't even tell you anymore. Bro, if I not do this, I'm not doing this again. If I cannot do this shit, I ain't doing this again, bro. Think about I got 27 more, bro. This gotta be it. This is shit, bro. I'm telling you. I gotta tap in. I'm not tapping in. That's my problem. I gotta lock in for real. Done. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Hit it. That's it. Yep. Come on. We got 19 more. Come on. Yes, sir. This way. Come on. Gamble shot. Come on. Let's go. Come on. But where are these shards? Shards! What the hell? There we go! I see him. Run! Don't look back! Do not look back, Copium! Run! Don't stop! Do not stop! 14 more! Oh my god, bro. Come on. Don't stop! Do not stop. I'm going in circles. This is stupid. I'm going in circles. Don't stop. Do not stop. Hit him. Hit it up. Run. I know. Not stupid.
Dead already? That's okay. Nobody likes you anyway.
Hey, look, but I ain't gonna lie, bro. I cannot do this shit, bro. Goddamn. They on my ass, bro. Like, what can I do? But hey, man, look, bro. With that, we're about to the end of the video. Now, look, whoever made this game, you was super talented for making this game, bro. Like, this game is actually fire, bro. For my first Roblox horror video, this is one of the best games I've ever played so far, man. But with that being said, man, thank y'all, boys, so much for watching, bro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn these notifications. I said notifications. I'm so dumb, bro. What I meant to say is notifications, all right? So don't forget to turn those notifications so you never miss a brand new video, bro. Let's try to get rid of 4 likes, man. Now we can know, bro. Love y'all, boy.